Weight loss generally occurs when the body expends more calories than it takes in. That means, you have to burn off or eat fewer calories that you consume through meals and snacks. Many people cut calories from their diet and burn calories through exercise to achieve weight loss. Working out on a regular basis is helpful for weight loss, but may not be practical for some people due to health conditions, time restraints, or lack of interest. However, research shows that when it comes to weight loss, diet plays a much more important role compared to exercise. It's easier to decrease caloric intake by modifying your diet compared to burning off a significant amount of calories through exercise. Making a few changes to your diet and lifestyle can help you lose weight safely and effectively without planned exercise. Modifying your diet for weight loss. Count calories. Weight loss programs usually require you to modify your total calorie intake. Be aware that your weight is a balancing act. Write yourself a meal plan. Eat a balanced diet. Snack healthy. Including 1 to 2 low-calorie snacks is appropriate when you're trying to lose weight. Choose healthier cooking techniques. Drink adequate amounts of fluids. Ditch alcohol and sugary beverages. Maintaining your weight loss. Weigh yourself once or twice a week. Find a support group. Having friends, family members or coworkers supporting you through your weight loss plan may help you continue to lose weight and maintain it long-term. Reward yourself. Having a motivating and enticing reward at the end of your weight loss goals can help push you through to the end. Making lifestyle changes for weight loss. Start a food journal. Journaling your meals, snacks and drinks can help motivate you to stay on track. Also, people who journal typically lose more weight and keep it off longer compared to those who do not track their food. Get adequate rest. Increase your baseline physical activity.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,